Rain tapped against the cracked window as Clara stepped into the abandoned office. Dust hung heavy in the stale air, muffling every footstep she took. In the far corner, a typewriter waited, silent and untouched for years. Its keys, worn by restless fingers long gone, seemed to beg for one last story. Hesitant, she pressed a key. It stuck. Then, with a soft pop, a yellowed sheet rose slowly from the carriage. Words blinked faintly from the faded ribbon. "For Elise, my heart's only light." Clara's breath caught in her throat. The vanished writer, her grandfather, had always been a mystery, a shadow in family tales. Rumors whispered of a love lost to time, buried beneath secrets. She read on, the letter unfolding with every line. Confessions of midnight meetings, secret laughter shared beneath dim street lamps, dreams stitched together in the city's shadow. The final line trembled. "If you find this, know my love never vanished. It lives, waiting to be found." The room seemed to exhale, the weight of years lifting. Outside, the rain eased, sunlight cooling softly on the desk. Clara smiled, tears tracing quiet paths down her cheeks. The typewriter's silence was finally broken. Its story, a love undimmed by years, set free at last.